Welcome to a delightful journey of learning vegetables with our friendly characters. Come to our colorful veggie garden. Look at all the bright and yummy vegetables. It's time to meet our first veggie friend. Meet Mr. Carrot. Hi, I'm Carrot. I'm bright orange and crunchy. Kids love me because I'm not only tasty but also really good for your eyes. Hello, I'm Onion. I might make you cry a bit when you chop me, but I add a burst of flavor to your dishes. I'm Potato, the versatile spud. You can mash me, bake me, fry me, and even make chips out of me. I'm every cook's best friend. I'm Brinjal. Some call me eggplant or aubergine. I may look mysterious, but I'm the star of dishes. Hi, I'm Spinach. I might look like any other leaf, but I'm a real powerhouse when it comes to nutrition. I'm loaded with iron, which helps make your blood strong and healthy. Hi, I'm Red Chili. I'm fiery hot, and I love adding a kick to dishes from around the world. I'm Green Chili, Red's cool counterpart. I bring a milder heat and a burst of fresh flavor to your meals. Peas here. I'm small, green, and sweet. Kids and grown-ups love me in their fried rice, soups. Hey, I'm Cucumber. I'm cool and refreshing. You'll often find me in salads and sandwiches. Hi there, I'm Red Capsicum. You can also call me Red Bell Pepper. I'm known for my brilliant red color and crispy taste. Hello, everyone. I'm Green Capsicum, also known as Green Bell Pepper. I'm known for my vibrant green color and crisp, refreshing taste. Hi there, I'm Garlic. I may be small, but I'm packed with flavor and personality. You'll find me in everything from pasta sauce to garlic bread. I'm Ginger. I'm known for my spiciness and warmth. I'm Radish, and I may be small, but I'm packed with flavor and crunch. You can add me to your salad.
Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning journeys.